You can make $10 PayPal money in every 5 minutes you spend with this strategy that I want to show you. This is a fast way to make money online. Just follow this strategy. You do not need to any skills, you do not need any promotions, you do not need any hard work to do it, you do not need any money to get going with this strategy. All it takes is just simply, if you know English, you just write some words and you are good to go. In 5 minutes of your time you can make $10 or more, and every 5 minutes over and over again you will make that dollar over and over again. But before I show you that, hi, this is Josh from Money Hunt. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can make $10 PayPal money in every 5 minutes of your time. This is a really fast way to make money online. I'm about to show in this video. The site that we are going to make money is called Capterra.com. Yes, you heard it already, or you may not, but definitely this is a paying website. This is a solid website that will give you money for software reviews. Yes, software reviews that you have to write, but definitely really do not need any skills. You do not need to have any professional skills. You do not have to invest money. It just simply, just if you are using that software, you are definitely using those softwares I am showing you. They are all in your hand, you and your devices you do use every day. You just simply write a review on that and you are going to pay $10 every 5 minutes of your time. Just simply go to this website. They have the lots of categories and softwares. They have a database, huge database of software you can just write a review about, and you just go over their websites and you can see that if there is a write a review sections, if I click on this write a review button, it will show their search sections and software listing. Here you can just scroll down, you can just search for your any software you like, you use every day, but you can also just scroll down and just write and pick any software to write a review about in Capterra.com. So definitely this is a really cool site. If you just go over there, you can see that all these softwares, most of them you use every day. You use PayPal, you use Word, you use Google Drive, you use TeamViewer, you use OneDrive. You can see that you use this type of softwares. Google Docs, you use it every day. So let's, for example, Gmail, yes, gmail.com you use every day. You have a Gmail, everyone have a Gmail who are working online. So definitely you can write a review about it. Just if I just click on Gmail, it will show something like this. It will ask for you to write a review for this Gmail. But before skipping, if you are just like skipping this video or skipping this part, you will not going to make money, or you cannot complete this registration. There is a little tricky part here. You have to just watch it carefully and do according to as I say, and it will be okay to you to earn money, and it will be submitted to Capterra. Submitter will accept it without any problem. So let's move on to the first step. This is 3-step process. You can see that this is the first step on this review process. So we are writing a review for Gmail, for example, in this video. So let's first, they are asking for your basic informations like your first name, last name, your email address, and job title, organization. These are very important. Is job title, if you are not doing any jobs right now, you can just simply write freelancer here, that will be okay with it. And organization's name, if you just don't have any organization, as like you are a freelancers, you can just simply write self-employed and you are good to go with that. So definitely for industry, what you can select for industry, you can select like computer software. As you are reviewing various type of softwares, you can just select computer software here. Then your company size, as you are the only person, so you can select myself only. And then, hey, this is the important part: how long have you used this software? So this is, there are free trial less than 6 months, 6 to 12 months. So I recommend you choose 6 to 12 months or 1 to 2 years. That will definitely signal Capterra that you are using this software, you are an old customer of that software. Free trial or less than 6 months is not going to work here. So if you just select 1 to 2 years, that will be all right. So if you move on to the next field, what capacity do you use Gmail? So if you just select for email management, so definitely you can choose it. And how frequently do you use this software? This is also important. If you just select monthly, that will signal Capterra that you are not a regular user of that, so you are not going to get any good reviews. So if you just select daily, that will signal a good that you use is software every day, and you can provide a good review to Capterra. That will be very much accepted by them. So if I just click on I am a user, what role use this software? You are the user, so I am a user, and hit next. It will go to the next field. It will ask for some ratings of that software. So if you just, there are some optional fields, so I recommend you just check all of them. Do not leave any fields alone. So just select all of them, write all of them, and they are asking for the product pricing that you are satisfied. You just select it, and they're asking for that how likely you would recommend this software to anyone. I choose 9 or 10. Then you hit next. This is simple, and this is the final field that will be showing to you. It's like is asking for the review title and review pros, cons, and overall experience of that software. So all it takes, I have written some sample text, but how I written those texts, simply I'm going to show you the tricks here that you can easily in 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes, you can write a good review about it. But before I show you that, if you're liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my channel and stay with my videos every day. So let's move on to the method by which you can get lots of sample reviews that you can read and rewrite about. Yes, we are going to go to google.com and search for Gmail review Capterra, the software name review Capterra, and it will start show you all the results and from Capterra. And if you just click on it, it will go to the review sections of that software in Capterra website. So if you just scroll down, you can see, you can learn more about the software here that they briefly explained here. If you just scroll down, you can see that they have a review sections that has lots of thousands of reviews people's already submitted to this website. So if you just click on read all reviews button here, it will show all the reviews that people give to this software. So isn't it very cool? This is the title of their reviews: overall experience, pros and cons, the likings, what they like about this software, and cons, what they dislike about this software. And you can just read this, you can just read 5 to 10 reviews. 5 reviews is already enough for you. You just read it and rewrite it in your words, or you will definitely get an idea about about the software performance and the software pros and cons. And you just simply write in your words to these boxes here, your title, your pros, cons, and overall experience. It's very easy. If you just know simple basic English, you can do this. But definitely, if you need a good 100% correct grammatical error-free reviews, you just simply write it first. Then you can use the site called grammarly.com. Yes, grammarly.com is a really cool and professional site that will definitely proofread your writings, and it will be 100% error free, and it will be really Capterra will be really happy to pay you for that. So they have some extensions. If you just search it on Google, they have Chrome extensions, they have Safari extensions, they have Firefox and Edge extensions. You just install any browser you use, the browser you install that extensions, it will be added to your extensions in the top right corner here. And when you just is starting to write a review, it will just simply check your grammar here in the green circle here. It will be corrected in seconds. You can just simply correct it in seconds without any hassles. It will be checked by this grammar, and you see that it already red marked it, and you can just simply click it and correct the grammar, and you will be good to go with it. And you can write 100% grammatical error free, cool, professional review writing, and you can just simply submit it. If you just simply fill this form, and these 4 fields are very important. These 4 fields are the main review of that software that you can get paid for. And if you just simply complete your written review and just hit submit here, submit button here, and you are good to go to submit this Capterra review. And Capterra will review you, analyze and review your reviews, and they will let you know they will accept it or not. But believe me, if you follow this strategy, definitely it will be accepted by them, and it just take 5 minutes time from your side, and you will get per review you can get $10, because companies around the world are going to Capterra, and they need software. Companies around the world need software reviews for better understanding, for better business model. They want to sell their software, they want to make their software trouble free, bugs free. So they need users review that what is the bugs in that software, or what is the problem they're facing using that software, so that they can correct it, they can fix it, and they can release a new one, and so that they can increase their business, increase their sales. So this is a win-win situation. For that, they are going to paying Capterra for that, and Capterra is going to pay their reviewers around the world. So you are the one who review that software, and you can get paid a good amount of money every review. So if you just spend 5 minutes, you can get $10, and opportunity is limitless. They have thousands of softwares. You just review it every day. You just spend some 30 to 60 minutes every day, and you can make like $100, $200 without any hassles. This is a really solid way to start making money without having to have any professional skills, without having any investment, without having any promotions or marketing. You can just make money. All it takes is just be active, and money will follow you. I hope you subscribe, I hope you like and subscribe to this video, to my channel, and you will stay with my channel for more videos like this. So this is the end, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.